Good morning, students. In previous class, I taught you time and tense. Now, I am also going to teach you tense, the third kind of past tense. Past perfect tense. The form of verb which indicates that an action had already been finished before another action is called past perfect tense. Structure: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Example: the patient had died before the doctor came. Use of past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action completed before a certain moment in the past. As for example, I met him in Delhi in 2016. I had seen him last 5 years before. Rule second: if two actions happened in the past, it may be necessary to show which action happened earlier than the other. The past perfect is mainly used in such situations. The simple past is used in one clause and the past perfect in the other. As for example, I had done my exercise when Hari came to see me. Another example, he had written the letter before he arrived. Fourth kind, past perfect continuous tense. The form of verb which indicates that an action had started very earlier in past time and did not complete is called past perfect continuous tense. Example, it had been running for 4 days. Structure: subject plus had plus been plus before plus object plus for or since plus time. Use of past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. As for example, at that time he had been writing a novel for 2 months. Now we see future tense. Its definition: the change in form of a verb according to future time is called future tense. Kinds of future tense: simple future tense, second future continuous tense, third future perfect tense, fourth future perfect continuous tense. First, simple future tense. The form of verb which shows an action will happen in future time is called simple future tense. Example, he will appear at the examination next year. Structure: subject plus shall or will plus B1 plus object. Use of simple future tense. First rule: the simple future tense is used to talk about things which we cannot control. It expresses the future as fact. I shall be 20 next Saturday. Another, it will be Diwali in a week. Second rule, we use this tense to talk about what we think or believe will happen in the future. Example, I think India will win the match. Rule third, we can use this tense when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Example, it is raining. I will take an umbrella. Rule 4, the going to form may also express an action which is on the point of happening. Example, let us get into the train. It is going to leave. Another example, look, the cracker is going to explode. That's all. Thank you.